Hi, I'm Guy Manthel, Technical Product Manager for Knauf Insulation. We're here today in Christchurch on a DC Living site with Builders Phase 2 construction and the insulation installer's living house. Today we will be showcasing the benefits of acoustic insulation in mid-floors and inter-tenancy wall systems. The insulation that has been specified in the inter-tenancy wall system is Earthwall Glasswall 2.2 wall batts, and in the mid-floors the designer has specified 3.6 ceiling batts. Here you can see the team from Living House are installing the 2.2 Earthwall Glasswall batts in the acoustic wall system. The acoustic inter-tenancy wall system specified for this building is a jib barrier line system with double stud framing, 13mm plasterboard on each side and 11 kg infill acoustic insulation. In this project, the infill insulation has been substituted with Earthwall Glasswall 2.2 wall batts. This product substitution is supported by Marshall Day's Statement of Equivalence and technical support from Winstone Wallboards. The Statement of Equivalence confirms that the infill material of the same density and thickness can substitute without affecting the acoustic performance. The Winstone Wallboards advice confirms that jib system's warranty and the fire performance attributed to the system will not be affected by the product substitution. As explained, the supporting documentation will enable you to make a successful product substitution and take advantage of the unique features of Earthwall Glasswall's products. Earthwall Glasswall products are manufactured by Knauf Insulation using our unique ECOS technology, a plant-based binder with no added formaldehyde. The inherent properties of Earthwall Glasswall will deliver a non-combustible, soft, easy to handle product that will ensure that the indoor air quality is not compromised. The sustainability credentials are backed by market-leading EPDs and certified Red List free. Codemark and brand certification are also there to ensure a smooth compliance pathway. To ensure the acoustic solution in the project, Earthwall Glasswall 3.6 has been installed in the mid-floors and 2.8 in the external walls. So here we are on a completed job. For more information on the full product range, visit knauf.com.